Hello everybody to lesson number 10 of CSS for attractive design. And this lesson we will know what do we mean with boxes. You should know that designing in CSS with HTML contains of boxes. So we have box and its style and other box, and it means box, and we could call it nested boxes. Okay, so we have here a simple example that we could mean that could show what we mean with boxes. For example, here we have first of all the content. Okay, the content is in the middle. Then we have, after the content, we have something called padding, then border, then margin. You could notice that the border, before the border there is something called padding, which is between the content and the border. Then after the border we have a margin. So the margin is between the element that we have it and the other elements in other places. So the margin is about the element and the other element. The padding is between the border and the content. So let's create an example here and see what do we mean with that things. For example, I write here h1 and write here, for example, the boxes in CSS. So let's give it, for example, an ID. Let's say it's box 1. Copy that thing, and here I will say hash and paste it, and here we are. So we could write here, for example, let's say the first thing I will write a padding. Okay, and inside the padding we could write, for example, let's say 50 pixel. Okay, then after the 50 pixel we have border. We will say border, let's see pixel, let's say solid, then the color could be red. Great. Then we have the margin, which would be between the element and the other elements around the element we have. Okay, so if we refresh that thing, we will see here what we have. So the boxes in CSS, let's put a border for the body so that we could know what we have. Body, and let's see border. Okay, the pixel, solid, then green. Great. This is the body. So here's the body. This is the body. Okay, here we have the the inside is the content. After the content we have something called padding, which is 50%, which is from the content to this red line, which is the border. Then we have the red line, which is the border. Then after the border we have the padding, the margin between that border and the body. So this, what do we mean with content? For example, if we need to we mean with content with boxes. I'm sorry. So if we need to control, for example, we need to create a box, another box with the same element. For example, imagine that we will create a box, okay, which would be 2, and with the same style. Okay, it could be button here. Okay, here we are. Box 2 should be this box 2. Save it, then refresh the page. See what we have. So here's an element. Here's the another element. So if you want to make the padding, the control the spaces between these elements, between the content itself and the border they have, you could control it. For example, if I delete here the margin from each part, okay, and we will see what we have. Or okay, we'll delete it. Let's see the border, the margin, set the margin to 0, and here's 0. Save it and refresh the page and see what we have. So we have here only padding on the element. So this padding between the element and the border. Here too we have the element padding between the content and the border. So they could be as a table or something like that. So this is what you should know. The boxes in CSS, they call it also the box models in CSS. So this was the lesson. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. you should give us a thumb up. And thanks for watching. Share this video for your friends, maybe they will get benefit, and wait for another series. Thanks for now, and see you again. Bye.